How to make a navigation menu header in Wix website simple tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make and customize your navigation menu header in Wix website. So let's get into it. First of all, what you can do is you can open up your wix.com and you will select the website you want to customize. Today, I am customizing one of my portfolio websites and I'll show you how to create a navigation menu header in Wix. Once you select the website, it will take you to your dashboard and here you're going to click on Edit Site. It will take you to your website and this is our Wix editor. Inside our Wix editor, we can customize everything. We can, of course, add different elements. We can customize our pages. We can add strips and much more. I will show you how to customize a header. As you can see, there is no header, like there is a header space on the website, but I will show you how I will add different pages, how to add a navigation menu on into your header. So once you have opened up a website, it will take you here. Now keep in mind, most of the time the header will already be customized for you if you're selecting a template. And if you have a template, it will give you an idea. It will already add a navigation menu. So it becomes really easy for us. But let's go ahead and start from the scratch. I'm going to click on the add section here and we're going to add a strip first. So then we can add different elements onto our strip. So we're going to go to strip right here. And this is the one that I want to add. So I'm going to drag and drop the strip right here. Okay, so it's a pretty big strip. Of course, I'm going to actually make it smaller. All right, so this is my strip and I'm going to drag and drop it right here and I'm going to attach it to my header. Now, this is my header right here. I have added a strip. Now I will be able to add different elements into it. First of all, we can change the strip background to match the background of my website. It's a simple white color, but I'm going to change the color a little bit according to the theme. So it's showing me the theme right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it very light color so that everything pops out. We have a strip now. Okay. So I have also added some space between my next element so that we can clearly see our header and see what I am customizing here. Now we have added the strip here. We're going to go to the elements and in elements, first of all, we can go for a logo and the title of the website. So you can go for a text here or you can even search for logo or title. So I'm going to go for text and we have titles. In titles, we have different types of title that we can add and I'm looking for let's say a big title to add, or we have like a magazine title and we have different fonts available. So let's actually go with this one. So what you're going to do is you're going to add it and you're going to drag and drop it right here. So the title will be added here and here I'm going to upload my logo. This is not the title. Click on edit text and add the name for your website. So in my case, it's a portfolio website. So I'm just going to enter my name. There you go. We can, of course, change the color for the text we have. I want it to pop out a little bit. So I'm going to make it maybe a little darker like this. Or we can go with white. We have this color. This one right here. I'm going to go with a darker color for this one. So we have entered our title and now I will go to this section right here, this section of the stripe. It will add a logo. How to add a logo now? Again, we're going to go to the elements here. In elements, we can even search for a logo or we can go for titles and check out if titles also include the logos. Okay, we have paragraph, theme text. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to search right here. For the logo, what we can do is we can add a vector art logos from here, or we can also add some custom logo designs. We have some of the apps available to add the logo. Now, if you want to add the logo, you will add it right here. Moving on, we have to enter our menu. How to add a menu to your header right here. You're going to go to the pages and it'll show you the site menu and everything. So we have site menu right here. We have site menu, sign up and login form, store pages, member pages. So you're going to select the menu you want to add. So this is our home menu. You're going to click on these three dots and we have settings, hide. Make sure to select the menu that you have. So these are my menu and we have pages. Okay. We're going to go back to the elements now. You're going to go to add. In add, if I scroll down a little bit, we have menu and anchor. Now this is the important part, to add a navigation menu to your header. You can see we have menus and we have different types of menus. We have my menu, themed menus, horizontal, anchors, anchor menu, and anchor menu too. I'm gonna go to my menus and it shows me some of the themed menus. Okay, we have home, about, gallery, contacts, and we have horizontal ones. We have this type of, and then we have this one. What I'm gonna do is I think I'm liking this one. I'm just gonna go ahead, drag and drop it right here where I want it to be added, and it will be inserted to my website. And now you can see it only has the menus that I have on my website. You can see if I take you to pages, I have two menus. I have home and shop, and this is what's showing me. It's showing me home and shop. If I had more than one menu, I had home, I had gallery, I had added pages into my menu, then it will of course show me right here, and I can of course add more pages into it. Let's say I create a brand new page for bookings, so I'm gonna click on bookings, or we can go for services, maybe add a new page. So I'm gonna click on services, click on add page, and a service page will be added to my website, and it will be shown right here. I'm gonna click on done. So now you can see I have home, services, and shop. This is how you add a navigation menu to your website. It's really easy. Just add the pages to your site menu and you're going to go to elements. Once you add an element, it automatically fetches the menu that you have on your website. So we have this space in between. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the manage menu option, and again it opens up the pages for us. Then we have navigate. Click on the navigate option and it shows you all of the pages that you have on your website. Click on navigate and we have services. If you want to navigate it to some other page, then you can of course select that page too. Let's say we have a shop here. Okay, we have shop. So I'm going to click on navigate and I can select shop. So it will allow me to navigate as well. This is how you can, customize the navigation of your website as well, and it will take me to that page. Then we have layout. Click on the layout right here and you can customize the layout a little bit as well. For example, you want it to be a scroll, you want it to be a wrap, like this. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller and place it right here. Moving on, we can add socials to our header. So I'm going to click on add and I'm going to go to the socials and select a pair of a social bar. So I'm going to go with this one. Drag and drop it right here. It's pretty big. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on set social links and get rid of few of these. Okay, so we do not have a TikTok for now. So I'm going to click on delete TikTok. Similarly, we have LinkedIn. I do not have LinkedIn or a Facebook. So I'm just going to go with Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Click on done. And we have socials here. We have our navigation menu. For the navigation menu, again, I can design it a little bit because it's not that prominent. So for that, I can actually maybe change it a little bit to another design so that it's more prominent. Let's go with this one. And the design will be customized. So this is how you design a header. And now you can see our header looks pretty impressive. I can now change the design a little bit more. Maybe the background color for our strip, like this. So this is the header that we created and it has our menu. You can see right here we have home, services, and shop. We have our socials and it will allow me to navigate from one page to another. For example, I can just click on home. It's not published yet. That is why I have to click on navigate and then go to that page. Now my users will click on any of these pages and they will be able to navigate from one page to another on my Wix website. This is how you make a navigation header inside Wix website. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.